Thank you for tuning in. Let's get started with the stock market prep list. There are no earnings tomorrow. The Hummer from GMC is slowly making production ramp up. However, it is making 12 cars a day. GMC has a waitlist of 77,000 prospects buyers. However, this will take some time. They have new factory in Ohio that is making their own battery cells, but the ones that have been built so far, many of them have used the outsourced LG cells. Really bad day for Micron because their expectations were not met. They said that the consumer demand environment has weakened and they're trying to moderate their supply growth, especially for next year. The stock dropped 5% after hours. And the company also cited that the consumer demand is slowing because of the China lockdowns, the war in Ukraine with Russia, and rising inflation. FTX buys BlockFi for $25 million in a fire sale. The deal is expected to be signed by the end of the week, and because this price is way below BlockFi's last valuation, this is leaving equity investors wiped out and writing off the value of their losses. American Airlines offered pilots raise totals nearly 17% on their new contract. This comes as airlines are grappling with pilot shortages. However, it is not clear that this proposal could pass. Unfortunately, today Bitcoin price broke the support level and is currently below the 20K level. In yesterday's video, I mentioned about the candlestick reversal pattern. It happened today and many people are fearing that the Bitcoin hasn't stopped dropping. Just keep this chart in mind because if it keeps on dropping, more people are gonna lose hope. Unlike Bitcoin, the S&P had a better day. And when I mean better, it's better than the huge reversal candle. Normally the Friday before a holiday Monday is slow, but we'll see. The hourly chart has a gap down and the price was hitting the 21 EMA until it came back down a little bit. On the 5-minute, there is much more detail to the price action that happened in the S&P. There was a gap down open and downtrended until 10 a.m. to the last Thursday's highs. See right here, around this area last Thursday. And uptrended to close the gap and became choppy, downtrended to today's open level until power hour when it went to chop up until close. Puts were starting to get bought up yesterday, but today's little green candle shows a little bit more calls were bought compared to yesterday's puts. On the VIX, which measures volatility, the candle hit this resistance and ended down. It's a small candle, which means a small decrease in volatility sentiment. And sectors were half and half today, some losing more than others, but some closing a little bit better than the last green candle. The worst today was communication services, and the best one was utilities. And not too much reporting on the economic calendar tomorrow. S&P Global Manufacturing PMI tomorrow at 9:45. 10 a.m. we have the ISM Manufacturing Index and the construction spending. I'll be back later next week. Remember, the stock market is closed on Monday. Hope all this information serves you good and thank you for watching. Have a good afternoon.